So when you open up the assignment, it will look like this. You'll have 3 slope card sorts to choose from in different colors. Those are the first 3 slides. You just choose one. So I'm just going to choose purple. I'm going to delete these. You're going to work out what the slope is for each set. So, like for this one, if I can use a pen, you're going to make sure that you subtract y minus y, negative 3 minus 16. You're going to do that for each of these. When you've calculated the slope and you have your answer, can't really move it to the other side. So the best thing I've come up with is to just copy, go to the slope card sort, paste, and then move that where you think it should go. Does it go here? Does it go here? And do that for each of these until all of these are in one of these categories. If you have any questions, let me know. Email me. Thank you.